Hi friends, welcome to LaxmiYoutube channel. Today I am sharing how to make mint tomato chutney for rice, dosa, idli. Now we will see how to make this chutney. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil. In this add 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram or chana dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal or split black gram, and roast them for 2 minutes on slow flame. Now you can see they are fried. Now take them into a plate and let them cool down completely. In the same oil add a tablespoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chillies. Here I am adding both red chillies and green chillies. This will give very nice taste. If you want, you can add any one of them. The spiciness is your choice. Here I have added 4 to 5 red chillies and 2 green chillies. Now add 5 garlic cloves and fry them in the oil for 2 minutes. Now you can see they are fried. Now take them into a plate and let them cool down completely. In the same pan add chopped tomatoes. Here I have taken 3 tomatoes and chopped them roughly. Now add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt. If you add salt, the tomatoes will cook fastly. So here I am adding a pinch of salt. Now add tamarind and mix well all the ingredients and close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on slow flame so that the tomatoes will become soft. Now you can see after 4 to 5 minutes of slow cooking, the tomatoes became soft. Now and take them into a plate. In the same pan add a tablespoon of oil. Now add fresh mint leaves and cook them in the oil for 3 minutes. You can see here I am cooking this mint in the oil on slow flame. Now take the mint from the pan and let it cool down. Now you can see all the ingredients are ready. Take a blender and add the roasted ingredients, that is Bengal gram, black gram, red chillies, green chillies, garlic. Now add salt and blend all these ingredients. Now you can see. Now in this add cooked mint leaves and blend them. Now add cooked tomatoes and grind them. Now you can see. Take a spoon and mix all the ingredients. If you want, you can add some water and blend again. Now you can see the chutney is ready. Now all the ingredients are blended well. Mix once. Now we will make tempering for this chutney. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 1 red chilli, curry leaves, and fry them for a minute. Now add the grinded chutney and mix well with the tempering. Now switch off the flame. Now you can see the tomato mint chutney is ready. This will be super tasty with rice, dosa or idli. Serve this chutney with hot rice and ghee. If you are serving with rice, raw onion will be very nice accompaniment. For dosa and idli, you can serve this chutney like this only. Do try this tasty tomato mint chutney and let me know your comments. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more videos, do subscribe my channel. Do share and comment my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.